Hello juniors, and welcome to today's important episode of your advisory videos. As we begin, please open your Chromebook and find your proposal in your Google Drive. In about 30 seconds, we will all go through this process together of sharing and submitting this proposal online. As you are looking for your proposal in your Google Drive, make sure when you locate it that it is named properly with your first name, last name, and the word proposal, and be sure that all of the information in your heading is correct, especially your ID number and category. Remember, this proposal should be complete at this time, and you should be ready to submit today. I'm going to give you about 15 more seconds to open your proposal before I go through the process. I want to let you know that at the end of this video, you will see and hear the names of the winners for our first round of prizes, including the winter formal bids, the yearbooks, and the prom bids for senior year. So look forward to that coming up after we go through this process. Hopefully by now you are ready with your proposal open and prepared to submit. First, we must all go up to the Share button in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on Share, it will open up this window. You will be sharing this with the grading account that we use to grade all the proposals. Please do not type in any of our names. You're typing in Junior Proposal 2019, and you will see that it comes up here as its own email account. Be sure to leave everything else the same. This must remain a pencil, which is the edit icon, so that we can actually edit your proposal. Do not change anything else. Once you have selected Junior Proposal 2019, hit the blue Send button. This will let you know that your document has been shared with the grading account, and you get a little confirmation message at the top. Now it is time to submit this proposal. Please open a window to the Helix Charter High School webpage. From there, you will click on Students and head down to Senior Project, where you've been before. This will pull up the Senior Project webpage, and you can see that you have your submission link down here in the pink. Remember, we just shared the proposal. If you have any friends who are absent from advisory today, that is the most important piece they cannot forget. They must share the proposal with that account as we just did. Now that we've all shared it, we're going to go ahead and submit it. You click here where it says click here to submit your proposal. This will bring you to a Google form. If you've done any of the little quizzes this year, this is very similar, so you've had some practice. Please select your advisory teacher from the drop-down list. Then enter your last name. Be sure to capitalize the first letter. Please be sure to use your full legal last name, including if your name is hyphenated. Be sure to put both names. For your first name, remember to use your legal name, not a nickname. Capitalize the first letter and enter it there. Then you will enter your ID number and continue down. The next question is very important. We are asking if you are a student that is going on the College for Me trip. You would already know if you had been selected for this trip, and you would have already been invited and have attended the first meeting. So if you have not attended a meeting for the College for Me trip, you will select no. If you have attended a meeting and you are planning to apply for the trip, that is when you will select yes. Now you will go down and select the correct category for your project. Scroll all the way down to find whatever you need. Once you have selected the correct category, remember we just shared the proposal. Everyone had to share the proposal with Junior Proposal 2019 at helixcharter.net. So we should all be able to check yes here. If you are watching this video at home, perhaps you are absent or sick during advisory today, be sure you share your proposal document with this email account. Now it is time to go back to your proposal, and you are going to copy this link at the top. So copy the link and come back to your submission and paste the link here. Be sure to get the entire link. You should see the word edit as the final word in that link, so you've gotten the whole thing. It's pretty long. Once you have done that and you are sure that the entire link is present with the word edit complete at the end, you are ready to hit submit. You will receive this message, and you will only be allowed to submit one time, so be sure that you let your friends and anyone who's absent know, they have one chance to submit. If you are worried you have done something wrong, or perhaps a friend is confused who is absent today, please have them see me, Mrs. Dolphin, in room 140A, or Mrs. Meredith in room 50, and we can help them out. At this point, hopefully we have all submitted, and it is time to go ahead and see our winners for those big prizes. So here they are. We are pleased to announce that from Ms. Burrows' class, our first student who has won a winter formal dance bid is Deco S. In Mr. Holland's advisory, we have Angelo B., and these are the two students who have won the winter formal bids. From Mr. McKinney's advisory and Ms. Toilolo's advisory, we have Heidi B. and Hannah G., who have won a free yearbook at the end of the year. Lastly, from Mr. Weber's advisory and Ms. Bunch's advisory, Peter R. and Ariana G. have won the prom bids for senior year, so it's really exciting. All of you students who are listed here will receive a confirmation email from me, Mrs. Dolphin, tomorrow, letting you know what to do next. Okay, that concludes our process for submitting the proposal. At this point, if you are at all concerned something has gone wrong or you have not understood, please see Mrs. Dolphin as soon as possible. You now have a bit of a break in terms of the proposal. On Wednesday, December 6th, we will all open our proposals in our Google Drive and begin the revising process. But from now until then, try to work on getting your forms signed, and don't worry about opening the proposal document until December 6th. Thank you so much for your attention, and have a great Thanksgiving break.